If God comes here, I will see him. I will become God realized. It's not so simple. God is sitting in your heart. Are you becoming God realized? God is pervading every pore of your body. Is it helping you in any way? I'm a postgraduate from UT Dallas. Why can't I understand God? I'm so intelligent. Tell me, this intelligence of which you have such pride, ultimately it is only 2 fingers in length, isn't it? That is our intellect. And how big is God? He is infinite. How will you fit that infinite in your tiny little intellect? It is like some people were desirous of measuring the depth of a lake. So one person took a scale that was 2 feet long. He immersed the scale and said, "My dear friends, I have measured the depth of this lake. Take a look, 2 feet. Everybody noted, the lake is 2 feet deep. Now the next person came. He had a scale that was 5 feet. He immersed his scale and he said, the first person was wrong. Look in front of you, I'm measuring it. It's 5 feet. Everybody noted 5 feet. Now one after the other, people kept coming to measure the depth of that lake. The extent of their scale, to that extent they kept declaring its depth. In the same way, to the width of our intellect, we explain the personality of God. Our intellect is limited by its own experience. The Nyaya Darshan calls this Koop Manduk Nyaya. Do you know what is Koop Manduk Nyaya? The frog in the well logic. There was a frog who used to peacefully live in a little well. It was very familiar with the periphery of the well, and it would cover the whole width in 4 jumps. One day a frog came from the ocean. There is one breed of frogs that lives in the ocean as well. So the ocean frog came hopping along and jumped into the well. These 2 frogs started doing a little chit-chat. He said, "Where is this place you have come from?" The other frog said, "I have come from the ocean." "The ocean? How big is it? Is it as big as my well?" "No, it's very big." So the frog jumped 4 times. He said, "Is the ocean 2 times the width of my well?" The ocean frog said, "No, much bigger." He said, 10 times? Even bigger. 100 times? The ocean frog said, even bigger than that. The well frog said, "You liar, how can anything be more than 100 times the size of my well?" The well frog has lived its entire life in the well. That is all it knows. That is the limit of its intellect. Similarly, what you have experienced, what you have understood, that is the limit of the intellect. The Vedas are saying, "Na medhaya." God is beyond this. And even if you get the intellect of Saraswati or the intellect of Brihaspati, let us say, it's available for auction on eBay, suppose, and you purchase the intellect of 5-6 Saraswatis. Even with that, you cannot know the Lord, because that is still finite and the Lord is infinite. So, the mantra is saying, "Nayamatma pravachanena labhyo na medhayana bahuna shrutena." If God Himself were to come here and explain His own personality, even then you would not attain Him. Why not, Swamiji? If God comes here, I will see Him. I will become God realized. It's not so simple. God is sitting in your heart. Are you becoming God realized? God is pervading every pore of your body. Is it helping you in any way? No, but Swamiji, if the avatari Bhagwan, Krishna avatar, Ram avatar, if I see them, then I'll definitely become God realized. No, you won't. Because their divine form is beyond matter, and your senses are material. With these senses, when you see Him, He will seem material to you. That is why Shri Krishna says, Avajananti ma mudha manushim tanumashritam param bhavam ajananto mama bhuta maheshwaram. Arjun, when I descend in this world as an avatar, the materially conditioned souls are unable to recognize me because they don't have divine eyes. Is it that we have never seen God? Sometimes we think, these Swamis and Mahatmas, they keep talking about God. Who has ever seen God? Has anyone seen Him at all? But the fact is, all of us have seen God. Really? When? In our past lives. This is not our first life. We have come on this planet innumerable times. When Lord Krishna was here 5,000 years ago and lived on this planet for 125 years, it's possible we were right here. It's possible we saw Him. When Lord Ram was here for 11,000 years, it is possible that in our past life we were there in Ayodhya or Dandakaranya or Kishkindha. So it's quite likely we saw Him. And these avatars, Ram avatar, Krishna avatar, have taken place innumerable times. Nana bhanti Rama avatara, Hari Ananta, Hari Katha Ananta. And we have had innumerable past births. So the probability is that in some past life or the other, we actually saw God. However, we were not able to benefit because His form was divine and our eyes were material. So the Vedas say, by none of these schemes and none of these gimmicks can you ever reach God.
Join Jagadguru Kripalu University, now offering BTech in AI, Data Science, FinTech and AI/ML. Pursue BCA in Cybersecurity and Cloud Computing, BDes in Animation and VFX. Secure your future with integrated BBA, MBA in FinTech and Investment Banking. Also offering BSc, MSc in Applied Microbiology, Yogic Sciences and BNYS. Apply now at jku.edu.in.